This is Jim Emter, Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for October 14th, 2020. Corn market up 5 1/4, beans up 12 1/4, Minneapolis wheat up 2 3/4, Chicago up about 2 3/4, Kansas City up 4 cents. So a firmer day across the board here. Grain market's trying to fend off that early weakness this week, and the last couple days have put together a pretty nice push higher here once again. We are not taking out any highs at this point here for corn and beans particularly, but we'll need to kind of watch as we get up towards these levels of around 3.99 1/4 and over this 10.70 to 10.79 mark here for the soybeans. We'll see just how many sellers can show up if we get up into those levels. Otherwise, stuck here consolidating within this tight range here as of late, and we'll see just what the market has in store here as we work towards export sales, which will not come out until Friday. So right now, the kind of news is featuring some greater dryness in Mato Grosso that allows the beans to step up, and a lot of spreading here right now with both spreads winning here at this moment. When you look at feeder cattle, up 25 to down 90. Live cattle looking at down 45 to down 95. Hog market up 62.5 to 227.5. So from month hog showing some resilience here, some strength, and that's off of anticipation of good export demand. We're stuck here slightly above the second price count, still sitting here a ways from the third price count. Off the December, that's going to look to around $74, $75. So we'll need to kind of watch and see how hogs handle getting back above this key resistance point we've been in. So the feeder cattle, live cattle stuck in the market here a little bit as we see liquidation through that phase. Obviously the rally in corn market has brought selling to feeder cattle, and live cattle have tried to make it up to that second price count again last week and now stumbled this week breaking down here towards the key support levels. Got to hold the 200-day between 108 and 109 to really hold this thing together. So that for December live cattle, that'll be the key as we work ahead. If we can get above that 114 count, then you open up the 121 type action. So we'll see just how that evolves here. Export sales on Friday going to be very important to both those two markets. This has been Jim Emter, Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.